What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the Underground Paint King, the People's Champ, back with another video. And this video is about the Grant 7 Oh My Clear, giving it a good review. And check out the shirt, Underground Paint King. Let's see if we can get that up in there. Yeah, buddy. But I'll be putting these out for sale here soon, working on a lot of other merchandise and some products. So a lot of behind the scenes things going on. But anyway, let's get back to this Grant 7 review. Before the video get going, let me just say it's the best clear I done used. Hands down. I done seen True Grit, Custom Spread, Faraway Spread, and I know a couple other painters on YouTube that's getting their hands on it, but you know, he told me it was better than what I was using, and he was right. So, you know, I ain't gonna talk you to death. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and jump into this quick little video and see what it's all about. All right, we got the 2009 Ford Flex. Got some body damage here. A little bit down here at the bottom. Nice little dings. Look like somebody side swiped the door. A little bit. Nice little ding there. Again, a little bit more side swipe. A little into the bumper and the fender. Come back to the back. Nice little mark here. And we got a nice little dent there that we are going to fix and see about getting another tail light. So to fix this, we're probably going to take off the rear bumper and straighten that out so we can line that, we'll use the old tail light, line everything back up because it's just knocked out of place. So it'll work for test fitting everything and getting everything back in line. So we're gonna break this down and start getting the body ready to go. Got the rear bumper off of the Ford Flex. A lot of dirt on the inside. And as you can see, we got the damage here. So we can access the damage a little bit better without damaging up the rear bumper trying to fix it. And gonna get that nice little dent out.
That's all.
All right, this clear is a 2-to-1 mix, if you can see that. Enhance, acrylic, HS stands for high solid, acrylic urethane clear coat. Mix ratio, 2-to-1 with the activator. No reducer. Then this is the activator that goes with it. And it's a medium hardener activator. And it requires a 10 to 15 minute flash time between coats. Grant 7's clear coat. Sprayed it at 35 pounds. I saw Far Away do it at 35 pounds, so I tried it at 35. And I must say, man, this clear lays down nice. I mean, nice. I mean, that's no buff. And what you're seeing is dust. So it's not even trash in the clear. So I clearly understand why he named it what he named it. Because probably the very first time he got the formula back, got the clear, after he got it made, then he sprayed it to make sure it was what he wanted it to be. He probably said, "Oh my." And I know he got bases and candies and, you know, pearls and stuff like that through his line. But this clear, bruh, this clear is it. This is where it's at. The homie Grant 7 has created a formula that the best way to describe it is body filler that you can see through. Clear body filler. I had some trash fall in the side panel on the Ford Flex that I was painting. When I took my little picker, picked the trash out, then I came back, laid another coat of clear on top of the coat that I had laying there that the trash fell into. And I mean, it was a big hunk of trash. I don't even know where it came from, but it was a big hunk. After I laid that next coat of clear, you couldn't even see it no more. I mean, the clear is so thick. It probably any imperfections it'll fill them in. I would go on the limb to say that if you have sand scratches in your body still, and you spray with this clear, it will fill them in, and then the very next coat is gonna bury that, and you won't even see it. I'm gonna go on the limb and say that. Now, I can't really be for sure about that, but this clear, if you plan on using a clear, use this clear, and you won't go wrong. If you remember, we had a dent right there. All right, kings and queens, I hope you enjoyed that video. Not the best vehicle for this clear, I believe. You know, it's just a Ford Flex, but definitely gives you an idea of how nice this clear is. Like I said, True Grit Customs, Far Away, of course, Grant 7 himself, you know, giving you great footage on what this clear is capable of. So I already talked to the homie Grant 7 and got, you know, a whole gallon kit on the way. So you will be seeing that clear again on this channel. And we're probably gonna use quite a bit of it, man. So look out for that, because you know, the box Chevy is still around. Don't think it ain't. It's still there. I know I ain't dropped no footage on it, but trust me, it's coming. It's coming. But Yeah, man, I hope you like this video. You know, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, hit the notification bell, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. Hey, man, you know what? I want to ask you something, man, because this is something that really irritates me about it seems like everybody's channel. Who dropping that one thumbs down? It's like, is it YouTube? I mean, I don't know who it is because you go to everybody's video and it's always just one thumbs down. Only one. I mean, is it just one YouTube hater out there? Anyway, man, I ain't gonna worry about it no more. Anyway, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up, share the video, like the video, comment on the video, tell a friend, tell another friend. And it's your boy, the UP King, and we out.